Fold one white pipe cleaner in half. Twist it tightly at the 4.5 centimeters mark to secure. Gently curve both sides slightly. Bring one end through the center and lay the other across the top. Twist the two ends together tightly. Keep one stem and trim off the excess. Shape the petal into a curved form. Make 5 petals the same way. Fold 3 light yellow stamens in half. Use half of a light yellow pipe cleaner to secure the flower center. Use elastic cord to attach the 5 petals evenly around the center. Keep one pipe cleaner stem and trim the others as needed. Wrap the stem with light green floral tape. Make 2 flowers the same way. Take one white pipe cleaner and bend it at the 4 centimeters mark. Leave about 0.5 centimeters on the shorter end and twist tightly to secure. Twist to form 4 identical petals and curve them slightly inward. Wrap the stem with light green floral tape. Make 2 flower buds the same way. Take one olive green pipe cleaner and wrap about 4 centimeters of one end with floral tape. Attach the 2 buds first, spacing them about 4 to 4.5 centimeters apart. Then attach the 2 flowers in the same way. Fold another olive green pipe cleaner in half and connect it to the original green stem to extend it. Wrap floral tape around the entire stem to finish.